Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Let's learn alphabet with colors. Yellow color, red color, blue color, green color, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
Little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And
L,
if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a diamond ring.
M,
And
N,
if that diamond ring turns brass, Mama's gonna buy you a looking glass. And if that
O,
looking glass is broke, Mama's gonna buy you a billy goat. I will buy you a billy goat.
P,
And if that billy goat won't pull,
Q,
gonna buy you a cart and bull. And if that cart and bull turns over, Mama's
R,
gonna buy you a dog named Rover.
S, T,
And if that dog named Rover
U,
bark, Mama's gonna buy you a horse and cart. And if that horse and cart fall
V,
down, you'll still be the sweetest little baby in town.
W, X, Y, and Z. Okay friends, let's repeat our alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.